Okay, so now I got the camera turned around. Finally. So I forgot to tell you something. My cousin died. So this is her hubby. She gave it to me. And that's also her. This is my birthday. We put her stuff up there. This is my baby brother, my friend. Oh, and I also made this. If you guys want to see how I made it, just go to my channel, PS3. I'm on PS4, Paradise Ever. I'm just having fun with this hoverboard. So, yeah. It's like it's just taking me to some places because I'm not even controlling. See my legs? I'm not even doing anything. It's taking me somewhere. See my legs? It's taking me somewhere. What? That scared me. If you guys ever do that, never do it. It's really scary. So, there's travel. So, my brother's playing the PS4. Hey. I'm just taking a video of the hoverboard so I can save it on my phone. Say peace.
Welcome basket or maybe a nice plate of cookies.
It's funny. And he also likes to play GTA 5. So, what the freak? Why would he say I love you? I love you. She's a online girl. That's freaking crazy.
Oh, don't forget, it's not me that made this character.
Gianna? Why would freaking Gianna make this character? She should have made me do the character. I'm serious. My family is funny and crazy. Woo! That scared me. Kristen.
What?
Oh, when I was like literally right here, Kristen. I was literally right here, and then the hoverboard turned me really fast, and one of my foots went up.
Yeah, that's how I always do.
Woo! Ah! I'm flying down the street. Woo. Actually, I'm in my house. Woo! Woo! I'm crazy because I put a whole bunch of sugar in the cereal box. The cereal box. I put a whole bunch of sugar in the cereal box. So don't even judge me. So I'm crazy today. I just like to ride this hoverboard around my house. And that's my garage door. That's my brother. So he's my brother from another mother. So yeah. Oh, and this is my calendar. I made it. I used to have cats and dogs until they ran away because I was taking them for a walk. So they literally shut that stuff up.
Shut your mouth up.
Shut up. My brother's mean, just so you know. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Oh, and my mom went to Africa, so make sure you look at those videos. And bye.
Let me see.
Bye. And